Doing a touchscreen replacement on the HTC G2, which is the successor to the G1. The touchscreen I'm referring to is the outside, right here. So for this exercise, we're going to need a T4 screwdriver. We're also going to need a prying tool. This is more like a kind of an ABS plastic tool that you use to pry open a case, or a pick. I go around the outer edges, and now we have the phone apart. So after you've taken all the screws from the front, we're going to go ahead and remove the last screw that is on the side. And now we're freely able to remove the circuit board from the unit. There's one ribbon on the back that connects the LCD to the main board. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. So now I'm seeing the LCD, and I'm going to go ahead and remove the touchscreen ribbon from the LCD. And if you're simply doing the touchscreen, when you're removing the LCD, you don't really want to, you want to be careful with it so you don't crack the LCD while you're doing it. So now I have the touchscreen and the LCD removed, and the last step is to separate the touchscreen from the LCD itself, and for that we're going to go ahead and grab a heat gun, and so I'll be right back. So I'm back with the heat gun here, and you don't want the heat gun directly on top. You want to kind of have it in motion, so you don't burn the LCD. It does get a little hot, so just be careful with that. So once you have the touchscreen removed from the LCD, you want to take the plastic sticker off of the old touchscreen that protects the circuit at the tail end. and place it onto the new unit. So I have the old sticker on the new touchscreen, and I'm going ahead and sandwich the new touchscreen on the old LCD. And luckily, when I remove the LCD from the old touchscreen, the glue, the adhesive is still on it, so I'm going to go ahead and just simply sandwich them together now. So I've just removed the old touchscreen from the LCD, and now it's time to sandwich the new touchscreen back on the old LCD. I've just reconnected the LCD cable back on the circuit board, and now I'm going to go ahead and secure the screw on the side. A touchscreen replaced, and thanks for watching.